Hey there, everybody. For this activity, we're going to do some coding in Vex VR. So what I'd like you to do is click on this link right here to open it up. We're going to have to change the background to this one right here that's called Wall Maze, and then program your robot that'll start right here to drive to each of the numbers in the order of the numbers. So we're going to drive from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to the finish line. So here's how you do the first steps. When you get it all programmed and it's working, show your teacher. So let's click on this right here. It will take a second to open up. It'll probably pop up with this. We want the free version. And to select a playground, go up here to the top right. Scroll down to the very bottom. Right now is Wall Maze. Takes a second to load. We can kind of move this off to the side, and you can start going through here and deciding what blocks you need. You can drag and drop the blocks right on here. So for example, when you press play, it will do it. I suggest kind of trying to go from 1 or to 1 and testing it, then hitting the refresh and trying getting it to go to 2. Break this activity into small iterations so that you can make sure that you get it right, and it's a little bit easier to troubleshoot. If you have any questions, let us know.